Go.
I'm going to count to 3. 1,
One,
2,
two,
3. Hey guys, in this video we're going to... What?
Nothing.
Okay.
You're good.
All right. Hey, so what are we making today, Karen?
Okay, so this is a combination of all good things. This has got chocolate, peanut butter, and coconut. And it's a little more dense. It's a fat bomb, right? A keto bomb. This is good to help tide your hunger over and give your body some healthy fat. It's got coconut oil in it. And it's got some hemp seed in it. So it's not as just fatty as a lot of fat bombs are. This one has a little more to it.
And a keto bomb is something that you'd keep in the freezer. So you don't you got to let it thaw a little bit. But these are great to have right after a meal, so you can go longer to actually hide your fat in a little cookie.
I'm going to hide my fat in a cookie.
That's right. That didn't come out right. But let's show you how to make it.
Okay.